Hello, my name is Divya Arya and this is the demonstration video of the project which I have made in the Salesforce virtual internship program, that is HandsMen threats evaluating the art of sophistication in men's fashion. And let's see the user scenario. This is the whole user scenario on which we have to create project, and this is the user story and project overview, in which there are project phases in which have to work. First is architecture and planning, second development, third testing and Q&A, fourth deployment and training. From here our project starts. The first step is creating developer account. After clicking on this link, we will redirect it to this page and we have to fill our information. And after filling this information, we will receive a mail like this, and we have to reset our password. And after login it we will see a this interface like this. And after after this we have to create 5 objects in our developer edition. Or for seeing object, we will go in setup. After this we will go in object manager, and now here we will search HandsMen, and these are the 3 objects: HandsMen customer, order, product. And other 2 objects are inventory and marketing campaign. And these are the objects which they have given us to create. And these are the steps. First we have to click on setup, then object manager, then create custom object, and we have to fill the information and data type we have to give, and the label, ruler, and all this. And we have to allow search and allow report and click on the save. This is the steps of object creation. And our second task is creating tabs, custom tabs for all the objects which have created. So we will go in home and search for tabs, and after clicking on tabs we will see the custom object tabs, in which we have to create on new, and we have to create the tabs. And these are the tabs which they have given us to create, and I have created them. And after this we have to create a HandsMen thread app, and these are the steps. First we have to click on setup, then app manager, and then we have to create new lightning app. Then we have to fill all these information. After following these steps, our app will be created. And for login into our app, we have to click on app launcher and search for HandsMen thread. And after clicking on this, we will be redirected into this interface, and these are the tabs which we have created, all these. And accounts, contact, report, and dashboard, we have to also select these objects. And these are the standard object which Salesforce given to us. And after clicking it, after after these we have to create fields on the objects. So we will see the fields. After clicking on setup and object manager, and then we will see HandsMen customer and fields and relationships. And these are the fields which we have created: email, first name, full name, that's HandsMen customer name, and loyalty status, owner, phone, total purchases, all these fields which they have given to us. We have created all this, and after the and there are also lookup relationships which we have created. As you can see here, there is lookup user, and this and these are the lookup relationships which we have created. And for creating lookup relationship, these are the steps: the setup, and then object manager, and in the type we have to select marketing campaign, and then select lookup relationship as data type, and then all these steps you have to follow. And there is also a one master detailed relationship between inventory and HandsMen product. And after these all are the fields, remaining fields which we have to create. And these are all the fields of HandsMen customer. And now we will see the fields of HandsMen order. And these are the fields of HandsMen order which we have to create. And then HandsMen product, and these are the fields of HandsMen product. And now inventory, and these are the fields of inventory. And after this we will see the marketing campaign. And these are the fields of marketing campaign. Now after this step we have to configure, we have to create validation rules on the fields. So for creating validation rules, we have to go on object manager and search the object, and this is the object. And now we scroll and go in the validation rules, and these are the validation rules which we have to create. And there are the validation rules. First rule is that the total amount will not be negative or less than 0. And other two fields validation rules are: the stock quantity cannot be negative, and it is created in inventory object. And there is another validation rule which is in customer or HandsMen customer object, that the email and the validation rules are the rules which give error on the meeting the specific condition. And this is data security in profiles, in which we have to create a profile after copying the sales profile. Now we will see the profile. In quick find box we have to search for profiles, and after clicking on profile we will see this interface. And after on clicking new profile, we can create our profile. And the profile which we have to create is HandsMen. The profile which we have to create is platform 1. and it is the custom profile, and its user license as Salesforce. Now we will see the roles. In this is the steps which we have to follow in creating roles, and we will find the roles in search for roles in quick find, and when we create a role, click on roles and then set up roles, and when we expand all, we will see the three roles which they have give us to create, and these roles are, now you will see the roles given by them: inventory and marketing, which we have created, and then you will see the users which we have to create. For seeing users, we you can search users on quick find box and then click on users, and these are the users which three users which we have created, and they have guided us to create, and their roles are sales, inventory and marketing. There are three users, and then permission sets. For this is for platform 1, and these are the steps which we have to follow. And for seeing permission set, you can again go on quick find box and type permission sets, and you can see here the permission sets which we have created. And after permission set, we will see the email template which we have created. These are the steps. So first we have to go in setup and then search for classic email template. When we will click on classic email template, we will see this interface, and after clicking on new template, and we can select the email template from where we have like to create. These are the options: text, HTML, custom, visual, force, and these are the types, and these are the steps which we have to follow. And the email templates which we have created are now we will see the inventory permission set. After clicking on inventory permission set, we will go in object setting, and then we will search for inventory object, and when we will click on it, we will see the read and edit permission which we have given, and we will see now other permission sets which we have created. Second is marketing permission set, and now we will search for marketing campaigns, and when we create click on it, we will see the read and edit permission which we have given to it. And now we will see our the third permission set which we have created, and that is sales permission set. And when we click on it and now search for HandsMen products, and searching for HandsMen customer, and now we can see all read, create, edit and delete permissions which we have given. And after this we will see the email template, and our next step is creating an order confirmation email template. For this, these are the steps. First we have to click on setup, and then search for classic email template in the quick find box. Classic email templates, and when we click on this we can see the email templates created by us. First is low stock alert. When we see it, these are these this is created on low stock alert. This email gives the email to the owner that there is less stock, and when the stock is less than 10 or the quantity is less than 10, it will notify the owner. And after this we will see uh, there are two more email templates, and there is one email alerts which we have created. And for this we have to search on setup email alerts, and these three are the email alerts which we have created. And first is order confirmation email alert, and this gets sent when the order gets confirmed, and it is for updating the loyalty program or loyalty points when we do shopping, when customer does shopping. And this is for low stock alert, and these are the email alerts. And now we will see the flows which we have created. First is create order confirmation email. For this we have to search for flows in the quick find box, and when we click on flows we will find the flows which we have created. And the flows which we have created is low stock alert and loyalty program and order confirmation. Now we will see all three flows. This is the flow for our for the inventory object, and this is a low stock alert. And after this we will see loyalty program flow, and this is created for the loyalty points which get updated when the user shops for more than when the user shop for and it get updated to bronze, silver, and gold on the basis of the cost it shops. And this is for order confirmation mail, and it is get trigger when our record is updated. And this send the order confirmation mail. And our next step is automation using Apex, and we for this we have to create Apex class and triggers. For this we will go in uh, setup, and then click on developer console and open a new tab, and this will from here we can see our files which we have created. This is our inventory batch job Apex class, and there are two triggers which we have created. Oh sorry, for this we have to do open and then go on triggers and double click on this, and this is the trigger. And another trigger which we have created is a stock reduction trigger. It will update the information of the stock available And after this, with this there is a batch job. For this we have to create a apex class, which we have shown see earlier. This is inventory batch job, and this is the whole description of my project. And